Hi guys! Today we'll be doing a video of giveaway. To get close to you guys.
Give me some flat rocks, so it's a walkway. Still working on the mulch. Actually put some mulch up here beside the carport. I'm also going to work on this this stepping stone sidewalk. Hopefully get it done today. So I'm thinking I need at least one, maybe two more stepping stones. So I'm going to go here and check one of my rock piles. Got a few piles positioned around the house here. Check this one over here, see if there's any good candidates for a stepping stone. I can tell it looks interesting. That looks okay. That might work, actually. That side's relatively flat though. Check that one out. Actually, this one looks pretty good too. I think I'm gonna go with that one. Maybe this over here. Well, that should be the last of the steps. I think I'm pretty much done. I'm just gonna check it out. Do need to straighten up the mulch just a little bit, spread it out, but overall I think it looks really good. If the lighting will pick it up. All of them seem to be in place. I use sand to cap it down pretty good with. I think it looks pretty good. I think it's straight. Fixed this one step. They actually, this last step right here, they actually power washed the house. Looks really good. And I didn't ask them to do this, but whoever the guy was, he actually power washed the rocks, the stones, stepping stones, and thought did a real good job. I appreciated it. I finished with the mulch. As far as moving the excess mulch back here to the back Honda tractor there.
Carolina, hill country, 13 acres on